What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna be reviewing Jasper Art. I'm pretty sure you guys might have heard of Dolly, Midjourney, and all the other image generators out there. But Jasper AI actually has their own art platform. It's called Jasper Art. And so today we're gonna be reviewing it. We're gonna go in here. I'm gonna give it prompts. It's gonna provide an image for me. And then after that too, I'm also gonna upload an image to see what it provides for me. Okay. So first off, let me just give it a bunch of prompts. Let me say it. Japan in the 60s. Let me see what it gives me. Okay, so mood, calm, medium. Let me not add too much style. Let me see. Let me make it anime, Japan. Keywords, not really looking for nothing like that. So let me just click on create art. Okay, this looks nice. Wow, the quality of art is pretty good. Like y'all can tell. I've tried ChatGPT's own art before and it's different. Okay, there's a problem right there. You see that arm? You see this character has an arm, but there's still an arm extending out here. That's a problem. If I click and go back, so that's a problem right there. But like the image looks good. I also don't like that it gave me this because this doesn't look anime to me. Okay, but other than that, this image here look good. Let me give it something else. Let me say, man going to work. Think of it going to work. I don't want it to be anime anymore. Let me just click on none, mood none. Let me see what it just gives me. And none. Let me click on create art. Let me see it. This image right here. I mean, it's good, but the nose thing, absolutely not. These ones right here, they have their backs turned away. Let me click on enhance prompt to see what it gives me. Create a photorealistic pencil drawing of a man going to work. The drawing should showcase the intricate details of the man's attire. Let me click on create art. Oh, that is nice. But it doesn't give me the exact description I'm looking for, but it's pretty good. I really like the way it looks. The drawing should showcase the intricate details of the man's attire. Okay, that's why. Pretty good. Wow, it really makes it come to life. Damn near. So, I mean, it's a pretty straightforward platform. You give it a prompt, it vomits an image for you. So you can go ahead and try it out if you want. Another thing, let me try to drag and drop an image in here. Let me use my own image. Let's see if I can find myself. Use my own image. Okay, confirm. I look good here. Confirm. Let me see. Make my image in a car. Click on create art. It totally messed up my image. This is crazy. But oh my goodness. It totally messed up the image. But I mean, it cartooned it up. But it totally messed up the image. But so what will I give Jasper Art? Is this something I'll be using going forward? Maybe, maybe not. You guys can obviously head over to Jasper to try it out. I will have a link for it somewhere that you guys can use. So you can go ahead and try it out. If you use the link, I get an affiliate commission, obviously. It's a pretty good, exciting tool. Obviously, they'll probably improve this. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm going to catch you guys next time.